Welcome to our new video that is related to natural skincare. Today, we are going to show you how to make easy and affordable skincare products that will give you glowing and healthy looking skin. These recipes are perfect for those of you who want to avoid harsh chemicals and save some money in the process. First up, we have an avocado face mask. Avocado is packed with nutrients and healthy fats that nourish and hydrate the skin. Mash up half an avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Next, we have a coconut oil and sugar scrub. This gentle exfoliant is perfect for removing dead skin cells and revealing softer, smoother skin. Mix a tablespoon of coconut oil with a tablespoon of sugar and massage the mixture onto your face in circular motions. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Our third recipe is a rose water toner. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties and helps to balance the skin's pH levels. Simply mix equal parts of rose water and witch hazel and apply to your face using a cotton pad. Another great ingredient for skincare is oats. Oats are soothing and gentle on the skin, making them perfect for those with sensitive skin. Mix a tablespoon of ground oats with a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of plain yogurt. Apply to your face and leave on for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Don't forget to drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and healthy looking. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin looking its best. And that's it for our natural skincare video. We hope you enjoyed these easy and affordable recipes for achieving glowing and healthy looking skin. Don't forget to give these recipes a try and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share video.